Okay, my name's Claire, and my partners are Matthew Murphree and Ashley Lindsey. Again, I'm Claire Crider. We're using this burette for a titration lab today. And first of all, you have to know that we rinsed the burette 3 times with water and 3 times with our solution before we used it.
Okay, so first of all, titrations are performed to determine the precise endpoint of a reaction, and therefore the precise quantity and reactant in the titration flask. And before starting a titration, one needs to know the initial volume, and you need to record it in your notebook. And you also need to calculate the expected endpoint volume of your titration. To determine the unknown variable, you need to know the final volume and record it in your notebook. And you get this by subtracting the final volume from the initial volume. And that determines the amount of titrant delivered. You need to use the amount of titrant delivered and the concentration of the titrant and the stoichiometry of the titration reaction to calculate the number of moles of reactant in your analyte solution.
Okay, to read the volume of any type of vial, you read it by the meniscus, which is the lowest point of the concave surface. So for this volume, we recorded it as 2.01, and then you will subtract the 2.01 from 50 milliliters because that's how much this burette holds. So then we will subtract the 2.01 from the 50 milliliters. So then we know that our initial volume is 47.99 milliliters. And you will always record to the hundredths place. Matthew is now putting in the phenolphthalein to our our 1 through 4 KHP solutions that we have labeled. And we also have all the masses recorded in the notebook.
We are now mixing in the KHP with the water to make it soluble. At the meniscus, the volume of sodium hydroxide is 1.60.
Exactly.
That's it?
Okay.
It's very slightly big.
The final volume will be 32.05.
Okay, we're about to perform our titration, but first I need to know what my initial volume is, and that's going to be 2.00 right at the meniscus. I'm going to record that.
0.80.
Is that slightly pink?
Maybe like one more drop. It is.
Okay.
Slightly pink.
Slightly pink. 38.45.
Okay, so our initial volume for the fourth solution is 2.38. And the final volume is 37.61.
Our titration solutions turned a light pink color because of the indicator solution phenolphthalein.